Pretty cool, we found it, huh?
Yeah, I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. I'm impatient, I don't ever slow up. I stay young, no, I never grow up. I keep working to the point I throw up. And if you cross me, it was good to know ya. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Good job. Watch what you're doing. Hey guys, so we just lost the proboat Sprint Jet 9 in kind of a stormy day out there with the boats on the lake. So the battery just died out in the middle of the lake, so we had to come home real fast and try to get this canoe and see if we can go find it. So that's what we're doing now. Come with me, okay?
Yeah, I'm filming ya.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, so we just got the canoe all inflated in the back, going out to the lake. Looks like the wind and rain is kind of let up a little bit for the moment anyway. We were out there with the proboat Stealth Wake and also the Sprint Jet 9, and for some reason the Sprint Jet 9 was out there in the, not the middle, but like kind of a third of the way out in the lake, and the battery just died all of a sudden, just went totally flat. So not really sure what happened, but the wind was whipping pretty good then, and it just started pushing it pretty fast, and I couldn't get the Stealth Wake in there to kind of try to push on it, to like try to push it back towards us or anything. It was just too much wind. So I've been wanting to make like a sort of rescue boat, like a fan boat with magnets on it, and have magnets on my other boats as well, so I can just go out and kind of magnetically hook onto them and pull them, you know, if something like this happens again. But this is going to kind of give me a kick to start doing that. I've been wanting to do it for a long time, just to have a rescue boat, because this driving back home to get a kayak is really not the best, you know, because we're going to waste probably, I don't know, 40 minutes by the time we get back to get the kayak and then out there again, and that thing will probably be taking on a little bit of water the whole time. So if we can find it, we'll have to see what kind of condition it is in, and as far as having a bunch of water in it. So yep, that's what we're doing. you gotta have tourists going slow in the way when you're trying to do something in a hurry. We're just now getting back to the lake, probably about half an hour later or so. Back down in there and get the boys' life vest on, launch the kayak and go looking for the boat. Okay. Get both of us in there like that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
In the canoe. Don't drop it. I was thinking it's going to be somewhere over along this log, but I don't see anything yet. Alright guys, we just found it. We just rode, I don't know, about halfway, no, about 3/4 of the way down the lake. We just passed it right back up here, so we're going to row back up there and grab it. That's awesome. I didn't think we were going to find it. It's tucked back in a little bit of grass. It blew an easy 1/4 mile to get down here. Boom. Can you see the boat? I got to back up a little bit. I'll try to get it out of there with the oar. Film it, okay?
Okay. Yeah, I can see it. There are boots in the way.
I gotta get turned in there so I can get it.
I wonder how it got cut in there.
The wind blew it all the way down here.
I can't really film.
There we go. Yeah, got it. Your rabbit snack is still on it. Right before we lost it, Brent wanted to put his rabbit cracker on there and take it for a ride, so that's what we were doing when it got lost.
It got squished.
Yeah. So, you guys probably can't see it, but our rig is parked way down there. So we got to row back up there to get back to it. But man, this thing drifted a long ways. Just awesome we found it in all this grass. You can see what the terrain looks like here. It was just tucked back in a little bit of that grass. So glad we found it. That's awesome. You ready to head back, boy?
Yeah.
Pretty cool. We found it though, huh?
Mm-hmm. I thought it got lost by that eagle that we found.
We had the wind working for us coming down the lake this way, but now I'm fighting against it going back. This little kayak row is pretty easy though. It's definitely not a 2-person kayak, it's a 1-person, but with him in here, I just put my legs up on the sides and we're alright. Show him the boat. Pretty cool, we found it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Didn't have too much water in it. After sitting out here that long, I was wondering if it would leak in through the shaft or the propeller or anything.
I mean, like, on the camera, it looks so far away.
Yeah, it looks further in the camera.
Why?
It's just how it works, I don't know.
We're almost back to the rig.
Yep.
Where's your face at? Is your face? My face is in the way.
There you go.
There you are.
Boy's running the camera. As you guys can probably tell, we're almost back to the rig. Got about, hold the camera right. We got about 20 more feet to go here. So, thanks for coming with us on our little adventure to find this boat, guys. It's been TSO day, and we've hit the shore.